So one thing I've noticed recently is that some of my posts on social media, and even some of the videos, in fact, I've uploaded on YouTube, like a couple years after they've come out, people find them and they re-engage with the content, and that's like really exciting. That as long as you put out quality content that engages with an audience, content that an audience can resonate with, they will find you at some point. And this kind of links back to the Gary V video I did. I believe it was in the last episode of I Have a First, and where Gary V was talking about you just need to keep going with content that eventually, when the audience finds you, then you're off to the races. But it's just about not giving up. You just have to keep going. Ooh, this brings me to another point now that we're talking about content and social media. One of my teachers on social media, as it were, is this gentleman called Dorian at Group 82, and his YouTube channel is primarily music based, where he talks about music, and he's kind of diversified, talking about music and business, and more so just straight up business and generational wealth and whatnot. And one of his tips, one of his nuggets of advice was the following. So if you're someone who posts on social media, especially if you're a brand, that when you're posting on social media, people will leave comments on your video. Then he was saying it's actually disgusting if you as the brand do not respond to the comments. Why? Because that individual has taken time out to watch your video. That individual has then taken more time to leave a comment, hoping to engage with you. And if you then refuse to engage, that can come across as being rude. That person might be upset, like, I've left this comment, why is this individual not responding? Now, if you're someone who's getting like hundreds of comments on your video, then you may respond to the first 2 to 5 comments, but after that, it's sort of like a losing battle. But however, you need to make that initial point to engage with your audience. And that's something, well, I had always responded to comments. Maybe there were occasions where I didn't respond, but for the most part, I have always responded to comments that people leave in my videos. And I find, that then allows me to create a bond with my audience per se. And if you're someone who, as I say, as a brand, if you haven't been responding to comments, I encourage you to respond to comments, and just try it for a week or so and see how your engagement goes up. I'm sure you'll find your engagement with your channel or your social media page, it will go up. So just try that, and then once you try it, let me know down in the comments. And also, Dorian, he's got a great YouTube channel, so you might want to check him out as well. And tell him Tunji Talks sent you. Dorian's a good egg. He's a really good egg. To support the show, there are 2 ways you can go about that: PayPal and Cash App. Cash App, # Tunji Talks, that's # Tunji Talks, that's # Tunji Talks, or PayPal, paypal.me/Tunji Talks, that's paypal.me/Tunji Talks, that's paypal.me/Tunji Talks.